Hello guys, so in this video we will see about our module, that is purchase quality inspection report. So basically this application provide the functionality to generate purchase inspection Excel reports. In addition to these, multiple products inspection report sheets can be generated in a single Excel file. So basically this module is used to generate the XLSX or XLS files that will give you the summary of your quality control testing. Okay, and the key features are also here, like incoming inspections reports can be generated for products, purchase orders and receipt orders. The products which will be failed to pass in the inspection report are highlighted in red color, so the user will be also have an identification, and basically the report will be user friendly. And multiple products inspection report sheets can be generated in a single Excel file. Alright, now let's see about an overview of the functionality of our module. So here this module will run independent of purchase quality inspection. So I have made a separate video for purchase quality inspection and how the configuration can be done and how this module will work. So if you want to see that video, then you can press on the eye icon on upper side and you will be able to see that video. And this module, that is purchase inspection report, this module is independent of purchase inspection module. All right, so let me go directly to the purchase inspection report module. So you will be able to see the report functionality is given over here. So we can also generate the purchase inspection report from the receipts as well. So first of all, let me show you from the receipts how can we will be able to generate it. So I will go to the purchase menu and I will open any of the purchase order that is already generated and for which the receipt is already taken in the stock location. So you can see that, and the receipt is already generated. So I will click on that, and here the receipt is here. So let me go to action and click on incoming inspection. So a wizard will be get pop up and the file extension can be XLSX and XLS. So you can be able to generate this report in both of these format. So let me open any one of format over here, click on yes, and the report is generated. Okay, download it and let me open this report. All right, so you will be able to see that this kind of report sample will be generated, and whatever test case will be failed, so it will be generated over here in red mark, okay, in red color basically. So you will be able to see that the title here, that incoming inspection of which product is done, and the supply name will be defined for which product this quality test is done. So it will be also defined which team was involved, so the team name will be also defined. The purchase code, that will be the purchase order reference will be defined for which operation, that will be the transfer reference will be defined. Order quantity will be defined. Inspection type was what was inspection type, like incoming inspection will be defined. The control point unique reference number will be defined. Okay, the order date will be also defined. So you will be able to see that like this. What is the location, so it will be also defined, and the code it will be defined, the unique reference number, the time parameters, whatever kind of the parameters it was there, so it will be also defined. How many test cases were there, it will be also defined. What is the final status, and if there will be any kind of remark will be there, so it will be also defined over here. And if the user has written additional note, so it will be also defined with the create date of whole quality test will be defined, inspected by which person, which assigned user, it will be also defined over here. So basically this is a sample of the report, that how this report will be displayed. All right, now let's go again here, and let me go to the quality menu, and will show you over here. The report section is also there, so you will be also able to generate multiple inspections records. You will be also able to generate a report for these multiple records. You can see that. So I will open these records, the multiple records basically. So I will go here and will select these records, all of these records for example. I will generate quality inspection report. Okay, all right, so let me open this. Okay, download this and open this. All right, so you will be able to see that this is the second report. Okay, and the tab will be also different, so you will be able to see that it will be generated like this, along with the tabination here in the respected Excel file or LibreOffice or whatever software will be there. So just like this, you will be able to generate quality inspection report for your purchase quality inspection, and for one operation, for any kind of one quality inspection, or for multiple quality inspections, you can also generate the report at once. All right, so that's it about this module's functionality. If you will have any kind of query or suggestion, then don't hesitate us to write via email or Skype. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye, take care.